Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of creative scrap wooden crafts ideas for easy DIY projects. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Crafting with scrap wood is an engaging and sustainable way to create beautiful and functional items for your home. With a little imagination and some basic tools, you can transform leftover wood pieces into eye-catching decor, practical storage solutions and thoughtful gifts. This approach not only minimizes waste but also encourages creativity and resourcefulness. Here are some inspiring ideas for scrap wooden crafts that are perfect for easy DIY projects. One of the simplest projects you can undertake is making wooden picture frames. Using scrap wood of varying sizes and textures can give your frames a charming rustic look. Start by measuring your photographs and cutting pieces of wood to create a frame that suits the size desired. Assemble the frame using wood glue or screws, ensuring the corners are secure. Once the frame is ready, sand it down and apply a finish, whether it be paint, stain, or simply a clear coat, to enhance the natural beauty of the wood. These frames can be customized with personal touches, like engraving or painting motifs that complement the pictures inside. Hang them on your walls or display them on tables for an attractive gallery look. Another great idea is to create unique wooden coasters. Coasters are practical items that can also serve as decorative accents in your home. Using pieces of scrap wood, you can cut out squares or circles to your desired dimensions. Once cut, sand the edges to prevent any splinters and give them a finished appearance. For a personal touch, consider painting or stenciling designs onto the surface, or using wood burning techniques to create intricate patterns. You can seal the coasters with a waterproof finish, making them functional and durable for everyday use. If you're looking to add some character to your home, a wooden wall art piece can be a captivating project. Gather a variety of scrap wood pieces in different shapes and sizes, and arrange them to form a visually interesting design that can be hung on the wall. This could be an abstract arrangement or something thematic like trees or waves. Once you're satisfied with the layout, secure the pieces together using wood glue or nails. Paint or stain the artwork to match your decor, and hang it in a prominent spot to showcase your creativity. Plant lovers can utilize scrap wood to create stylish plant stands or pots. A simple tiered plant stand can be made using planks cut at different lengths, stacking them horizontally between vertical supports. This design not only provides an attractive way to display plants but also adds height and dimension to your space. Alternatively, you can make wooden planters by constructing boxes from your scrap wood. Ensure adequate drainage by drilling holes in the bottom of the boxes before adding soil and plants. These rustic planters make a charming addition to patios or indoor spaces. For a playful and functional craft, consider building a birdhouse from scrap wood. Birdhouses add charm to outdoor spaces and provide shelter for local birds. There are numerous designs you can follow, from simple structures to more intricate ones with designed roofs and perches. Cut the wood to size and assemble the house, ensuring a comfortable entrance and adequate ventilation. Adding a coat of non-toxic paint can enhance durability as well as aesthetics. Enjoy watching birds come to your new creation, and experience the joy of contributing to local wildlife. If you have children, scrap wood can be turned into imaginative toys or games. Simple wooden blocks, puzzles, or even small cars can be made from leftover wood. Cut pieces into varying shapes and sizes, sand them down, and consider applying colorful non-toxic paints for a fun, vibrant touch. These homemade toys are not only environmentally friendly but also provide unique, personalized gifts that children will cherish. For those who enjoy organizing their spaces, making a wooden key holder or organizer could be a useful project. Use a piece of scrap wood as a base and attach small hooks or pegs to hold keys, hats, or bags. You might enhance it further with a small shelf on top for decorative items. This practical piece can help reduce clutter while adding a rustic charm to your entryway. You could personalize it by painting your family name or a motivational quote on the wood to give it a distinctive touch. An innovative idea for using scrap wood is to create a custom calendar. This woodworking project incorporates functionality with design, acting as a beautiful decor piece as well as a practical tool. Cut wooden blocks to represent the days of the month, and paint them in the colors of your choice. You can use hooks on a larger wooden base to hang the blocks and add a small chalkboard area for notes or reminders. This unique calendar not only serves its purpose but also adds a warm, handmade element to your home. If you enjoy hosting, consider making rustic serving trays. Using larger pieces of scrap wood, you can cut out tray shapes, sanding the edges for a smooth finish. Add handles by drilling holes and inserting dowels or by attaching metal handles for a stylish upgrade. These serving trays can be used for everything from carrying drinks to displaying appetizers during gatherings. Personalizing each tray with stencils or paint can provide an additional layer of uniqueness, making them perfect for gifts or personal use. Another creative idea is to make a wooden towel or magazine rack. Using a mixture of scrap wood pieces, you can construct an eye-catching rack to hang towels in the bathroom or magazines in the living room. Simply cut wood to create the frame and bars, ensuring it fits well within your space. Sand the edges and finish with paint or stain to match your decor. This functional piece reduces clutter while adding character to your room. For those with an eye for detail, creating a wooden jewelry organizer is a fantastic project. With scrap pieces, you can design a chic organizer that features hooks for necklaces, compartments for rings and areas for earrings. Use more slender pieces for the main body and cut small blocks to create sections for organization. Sand everything down for smooth edges and finish it with a protective coating. This DIY organizer is both functional and a beautiful addition to your dresser or vanity. A charming way to incorporate scrap wood into your decor is by making handmade wooden signs. This project allows for a great deal of creativity. Simply choose a favorite quote or phrase and paint it onto a piece of wood. You can use stencils for neat lettering or freehand for a rustic look. Decorate the sign with additional graphics like flowers or arrows, and hang it where it can be enjoyed. Such personalized touches can add warmth to your space and serve as a daily source of inspiration. One final idea is to craft wooden utensil holders for your kitchen. Using larger blocks of wood, cut out a rectangular shape that can hold utensils, brushes, or even cutlery. Drill holes to accommodate different sizes of utensils and sand everything down for a polished look. Finish it with a wood stain or paint, allowing it to blend beautifully with your kitchen decor. This simple creation adds organization and aligns with a handmade aesthetic that brings warmth to cooking spaces. Engaging in scrap wood crafting not only cultivates creativity but also provides a purposeful use for leftover materials. Each project can be tailored to suit your personal style, enabling you to create functional and aesthetically pleasing items for your home. From practical kitchen tools to decorative art pieces, the possibilities are endless. So gather your scraps, pull out those tools, and let your imagination lead you on a creative journey that enhances both your living space and your sense of accomplishment. The satisfaction of transforming simple pieces of wood into unique items cannot be overstated. Each crafted piece carries a story, reflecting your creativity and resourcefulness while contributing to a more sustainable approach to home decor. So take the plunge, explore these ideas, and enjoy the rewarding experience of crafting with scrap wood. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked creative scrap wooden crafts ideas for easy DIY projects. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.